Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to upsize a pair of denim jeans or any pants that are too tight around the waist, hips or thighs. This method has add extra fabric on the sides and give jeans more room while still making them look stylish. Also check out where I made the skinny jeans into the bootcut jeans. I'll link it down below. So here I have a pair of jeans that are too tight, especially around the waist and thigh area. So the first thing I'm going to do is open up the side seam. I'm carefully removing the stitches from the sides of the jeans so I can create space to add extra fabric. Now take your time with this step. I'm using the matching fabric from the t-shirt that I had, and I'm showing two different fabric options here. And you can also add lace if you like, but I'm using this a sheer fabric like a chiffon fabric and a t-shirt fabric because I don't want it to see-through on my hips area. So I have measured and I cut the fabric pieces to the size I need. Make sure the fabric is long enough to cover the full open seam and wide enough to give you some extra room you want for the stitching. Now for the accent, I'm trying to make a bow. So here I stitched two of the sheer fabric together like this, and then I'm going to just make the pleats and make it look like a bow. So just add some pleats, and here you can see it formed a bow. So this one I'm going to add at my waist so that when I start the fabric, it doesn't look like it's not part of the denim jeans. So I cut the sheer fabric. I added 2 layers because I thought it was too sheer for the sides. And I added a temporary stitch because this fabric is really hard to work with. So as you can see, I placed the bow and I added a temporary stitch so it doesn't move. And then I'm going to stitch it along the seam that I opened of the jeans. So stitch right here. So here our stitching is done, and I finished both sides, and look how pretty the detail looks. I added a bow and it looks very cute. So the jeans now have extra room on the side, so they are no longer tight around the waist and thighs. This can easily add about one size up depending on how much fabric you add. So if this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe and check out my other sewing and clothing repair videos. Thanks for watching.